Hi friends, I have another fun experiment for you. Today we're going to be doing the walking rainbow experiments. So we're going to do this a little bit different than how you normally see it. So what I did is I drew the rainbow on both sides of this paper towel. So red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and then purple. I did it on both sides. And that's done with marker, like I said. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take both sides of my rainbow and I'm going to put them in cups of water. So I'm going to put this side over here, and I'm going to put this side of the rainbow in that cup. Now, does anyone know what's going to happen with these paper towels? Does anyone have a guess? You can kind of see it happening already. I'm just going to turn this so you can see a little bit better. Can you see that? The color is moving up the paper towel. That is really cool. Now, do we think the colors are going to meet in the middle? What do you guys think? I think it will. It's moving pretty slow, but I think it'll make it all the way to the top. Put a little bit closer so you can see. Very cool. All right, so the colors started all the way down here, and now they're up to here. So they made it pretty far already. Do you guys have a guess of which color is gonna meet first? I think that the green in the middle might make it there first. All right, I'm gonna stop the video. I'm gonna show you a better view of our walking rainbow. All right, here's a closer view of our walking rainbow. As you can see, the colors have almost met in the middle. I'll show you what the water looks like on each side too. That's what it looks like over here. Here's what it looks like on this side. Oh, it's so close to meeting in the middle. I still think the green's gonna make it there first. What do you guys think? All right, I'll turn the camera back on once everything has met in the middle and we can see how pretty our rainbow came out. All right, friends, this is the final result of our walking rainbow. It came out really awesome. Can you still see all of the colors that we used? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. The red's a little hard to see, but it's there. All right, guys, I hope you try this experiment at your house, and I hope you had lots of fun. Have an awesome day.